Okay, another example on spreadsheet, okay, will be on this year's prelim paper. Okay, so you are tasked to open the file NDP. Okay, okay, so I open NDP. Well, if you notice that if it's too big or too small, please know that you can change by at the bottom right hand corner. You can either make it bigger or make it smaller according to your own, okay, comfort. All right, okay, so let's read the question. Open, save. I think this one you can do on your own, right? You get 1 mark. I don't need to show you. Okay, you will see something like this. Well, they say because they have hidden, so actually it's a very long list like that. Okay, but it will look something like on the question paper like this. Okay, let's start in cell G2. I think very easy, right? Display. This one everybody terror already. Let's do this together quickly. Okay, good. 2 marks already. Next question. Insert this data between row 31 and 32. Where's row? Row 31 and row 30. Okay, where's row 31? Can you see? Row 31 meaning I want between Saka and villain. So if you want to do between, you always choose the second one. So click on the second one, right click, insert. Can you see? I want a row between Sekar and villain. Understand? I repeat. Okay, I'm just going to highlight to show you. Can you see Sekar and villain? I want a row between 31 and 32. I want a row to put between these two names. So remember, you always choose the second one. Okay, click on row 32, right click, insert. Can you see? Now you got a row in between. Okay, just diverting a bit. What happen if they say they want column between C and D? Okay, I'm just going to highlight this. Okay, between column C and D. How? Same thing. If they want between this column, meaning I want another column, like going downwards is called column. This is row. Okay, if I want in the middle of student ID and gender, you between C and D, you always choose the second one. That means the D, right click, insert. Now can you see you got a column in between? Can understand? Always choose the second one. Okay, there is insert row and column. Okay, I undo everything. Okay, now I'm gonna fast forward. I'm just copy and paste. For you, you have to type. Okay. Okay, so I type in between row 31 and 33, which is in between the name Sekar and Velan, is this. Okay, alright, just remove the color so that I remember I color so that you can see. Okay, exam, please type. Okay, done. There you get the 2 marks. Okay, for the fifth character. Fifth character means the fifth. Character means can be number 1 to 3. Character can be A, B, C, D. The fifth, number 5. Fifth means number 5. In the student ID, represents the gender. Okay, meaning let's look at student ID column. Let's look at student ID. Where's student ID? Here. Can you see here? Where's number 5? This is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see? The fifth character is actually the M. And what did they say? If M means male, F means female. And in this column, and what cell? D7 to D35. Okay, I'm going to highlight. Exam, you no need to highlight. I just highlight so that you know what I want you to know what cells I'm doing. D7 to D35. Okay, I'm just gonna highlight this color. Okay, so you know I'm going to do for this column. Determine the gender. So basically, they want you to bring, they want to tell you the gender, and they tell you M is male. If you see F is female, and they want what? The fifth character, number 5. can you see that what you want to get, the M and the F, is like not in alright, not in the starting from the start. If starting from left, you will start with left. If not, okay, it's called mid, equal mid. If it's left, then it's left. If not, mid. Text. What does text means? Click on this text. Just one cell will do because we are doing on this row. Column. Start number. Not they don't want the number. They want the starting position. I want M. What is the position of M? Is number 5. Understand? This is called the starting position. Do not know it. The question paper will give you a clue. 5th, number 5. Okay? Alright. Comma. Number character, meaning how many characters you need. I want only M to be here. So how many character is M? 1. So I type 1. Enter. So this means mid C7. Look at this text. 5 means starting from position 5 from the left. Sorry, I mean you always read from the left. Okay. 1 means I only want one character M. Understand? Okay. What happen if I change this number character to 2? Meaning, I start from number 5, which is M, but instead of one character, I start from M, 1, 2. Okay? So if I change this to 2, I will see, sorry, I forget the comma. I will see MO. Okay, if I change this to 3, that means starting from position 5, I want 3 character. In the end, if I press enter, it will be MO5. Understand? Okay? Okay, so I go back to this one is 1. Okay, and this one is 5. Okay, just for revision purposes. Okay, what happen if I want from the second position and I want the 2 characters from this or last 2 position? How to do last 2? Last 2 will be how? Mid, because it doesn't start from the left. What's the starting position? So you need to know what's the starting of the first number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I start from the 8th position. How many characters? 2, 2. 2, 2 is 2 character. Understand? Same thing. Okay, look here. Equal, mid. If I want the last 2 character, which is 8, 9, right? But the position, what's the position of number 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As so happen to be 8. Comma, I want 8, 9. So 2 characters. Understand? But in this case, it's just an example. I don't want this. I want the 5th position, only M. So only one number. Okay? Meaning, I don't want this. I only want the 5th position and only one character M. Okay? Drag down and you get all the correct gender. Okay?